Alright, let's see if we can catch some fish. We're at Magic Johnson. We're gonna see if we're catching fish. Last time I was here was last Saturday or Sunday in Zamek, but we weren't recording, we were just enjoying the day. So I decided to come back. We did find some spawning fish, but I'm not here for that, I'm just here to fish. Let's see if we can catch some fish. Enjoy my Saturday morning after a long week of work. So yeah, one rod, which is my BFS setup. I got a double rig on, got a little double fluke on. 10-pound braid with 6-pound test line. I'll link it down below, whatever I'm using, if you guys are interested. So yeah, it's about 7 in the morning. It's February or March, maybe, I think the 2nd. Got a coffee. Let's see if we'll catch them. Probably be out for like 1-2 hours. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, a little double fluke rig, you know, nothing too crazy. If this doesn't work, then I definitely want to try out the, I brought like a little finesse jig. Let's see if I can catch a fish on a jig. If I can unhook this. There we go. First cast inside this bank, and I get a little small backlash. Why do I keep getting a backlash? There you go, I got one. On the fall too. Then take me to that branch. On the little double rig, guys. I think it's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Holy crap, it's a nice one. Don't come on. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one, guys. It's a nice one, guys. He ate it. It's like about like a 2-pounder. Ooh, barely hooked. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. It's a good fish, like a 2-pounder maybe. Close to 2. He's pretty fat though. Seems like he's been eating. Alright guys, so first fish in the morning. Let's go, baby. Let's get the release. My guy's out. My guy's out. I'll show you guys what I'm using. Alright, that was the first fish of the day, guys. This is exactly what I'm using. It's just a little double rig. Pretty sure you guys heard of it. You know, just 2 little small flukes. Size 4 hook, 2.8 little swim bait. Like a little clear bait fish with some black glittery stuff on it. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And just some little swivels. And that's it. But that's the first fish. Didn't take that long. Took about like 10 minutes maybe. Probably less. So yeah, the only bad thing about this rig is that, you know, it gets tangled and you gotta mess with it. So I'll get back with you guys in a moment. Just untangle this stuff. Alright guys, we're back. That was a nice fish. I was actually a little bit surprised that actually happened. Because that was a nice fish. For this place, it was a nice fish. A bunch of little small ones. Probably would have been to go tell his friends, like, hey, this guy's back. Yeah, I'm sorry about the geese or the ducks. They're pretty loud and annoying. Don't worry, you guys won't hear all that. I'll cut some of it out. You ever wonder what they're saying? They're probably fighting over some duck pussy. I didn't bring any rain gear, so the rain might catch me here. But I'll fish it out for a little bit. If it's not too bad, if not, then I will have to go. Might come back tomorrow again, so. Might. Those who don't know, I've been fishing for a while. I really don't talk about myself that much, but I just love to fish. I'm not an expert. I don't know a lot of things. I do know how to cast up. Oh, I got one. I just saw like a shadow. I didn't feel no bite or anything, but I got one. Not big. This is what you'll catch here. Imagine. They're still fun though. Come over here, bud. Oh my god, this guy almost helped me. This is what you'll catch. Yes, I got him on. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. Let's get him back in there real quick. But yeah, that's what you'll catch here. Who else carries the old rusty pliers? God damn it. I need to get rid of them. Need to give me some professional pliers. I don't even know this even exists. But anyways, yeah, that's what you'll catch here. Little small fish like that, but like I said, if you just want to come out and fish, have a good time, this is the place to come. Little fluke, guys. Works. Took a little bit longer than the last fish, but we caught one. Oh, here comes the rain. I feel little sprinkles. As long as there's no lightning, we're okay. Sorry for doing that with my nose. I know it's kind of disgusting to me, guys, but it's cold out here. My nose is running. Where is it running? I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that was fish number 2. 805. Not bad, not bad, not bad for a Saturday morning. See if we can catch some more. Thought I felt a bite, but I guess not. Oh wow, I'm going in there. Pretty slippery. Got one. I didn't even feel that bite, I just felt it was tugging me. This is the fish you'll catch here, guys. Little small ones, but there's just big ones in here. Just gotta go through some small ones, I guess. Fish number 3. I don't know if you can see because my sweater's like kind of in the way, but right on top of the mouth. Perfect hook set. So the double rig guy is working. Small guy. Let's get him back in there. Oh, it's raining now. It's raining, guys. Like I said, I didn't bring Eddie right. Oh, it's definitely coming back. Alright, a couple more casts and we're gonna call it, guys. 3 fish and that'll be it, like I said before. But there's something busting right there. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm out of here. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Only 3 fish. It is pouring out here. Most likely I'll come out again tomorrow on a Sunday. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. I gotta get out of this rain. I'm soaked. I'm cold. I had a lot of fun. Didn't fish that long, obviously the rain, or else I would have been here a little bit longer. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.